Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Good morning. Today I discuss a question from graphs. One second, I share that question. This is the question. What is the maximum possible distance between a point that satisfies the equation 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5? The equation is 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 and y greater than or equal to 1 and 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. And another point that satisfies the equation 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 and y less than or equal to 8 and 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40. Okay, for this question directly we draw lines like this. This is 0, 0 point O, and coming to the first equation 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 and y greater than or equal to 1 and 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. Okay, in this first you mark out 5x plus 8y is equal to 40. So if we equate 5x plus 8y to 40, we will get coordinates of x and y. Based on that we can solve. If we keep y is equal to 0, x will be 5x is equal to 40 and x will be 8. And if we keep x is equal to 0, 8y is equal to 40, y will be 5. So the points are x8. You keep here x8, 8 comma 0. And the other thing 8y is equal to 40, y is equal to 0, 5. So this will be assumed to be 5, 0, 5. This is corresponding to 5 plus 8y less than or equal to 40. Okay, is equal to 40. Now you draw a line touching these two. Okay, here there are two regions above this line. This is line 5x plus 8y, 5x plus 8y is equal to 40 line. So if we select any point here, it should be greater than or equal to 40. If you select any point here, it will be less than or equal to 40. We can observe. For example, here if you are taking y is equal to 6, you take y is equal to 6. Another condition 8, 6, 48. So coming to be, if this is 6 you select for time being. Another condition 5x plus 8y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, 8, 6, 48. So this is the region greater than or equal to 0. And this is region 2. The above one is region 2 and below 1 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. Below 1 is region 1. It is like this is the equation. This is region 1 corresponding to less than or equal to 40 and this is region 2 corresponding to greater than or equal to 40. This is less than or equal to 40. This is greater than or equal to 40 for this equation. Now for this inequality, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. You select 2 points. This is 2, this is 5. We in between x should lie 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, y is equal y greater than or equal to 1. So if you select a point here, y is equal to 1, 0 comma 1. So that region is coming to be above this. So if we draw lines like this, y greater than or equal to 1 and 2 and 5. So this region, this is y greater than or equal to 1 and this is x 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. Therefore, this region is the intersecting region for that first part. this red shaded region is corresponding to this 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. If you observe in the shaded region, it is 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, and y greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, y greater than or equal to 1, and 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. So this region A satisfies all the conditions in the first part of the equation. Second part says that 2 less than or equal to, again, x less than or equal to 5, and y less than or equal to 8, and 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40. Just now we discussed 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40 is coming under upper region. So this region, this is the region. This is the region. So 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Therefore, this part is coming under 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. And this is above 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40. Okay. Y less than or equal to 8. So this is 0, 8 point corresponding to y. So if we take this as y is equal to 8, and under this we are drawing, and this region and this region intersection part is this one. This entire region satisfies the conditions given in the second question. So this is B, this is A. So B satisfies y less than or equal to 8, 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40, and 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Now the question is, what is the maximum possible distance between a point that satisfies the equation first one and a point in A, and I select this point, and another point that satisfies the equation, this I select this point. These two are coming to be diagram. This is a rectangle. Overall intersecting area is both A and B. If you include, it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle, and the maximum distance between those 2 points will be diagonal. Therefore, this should be diagonal. So what is the magnitude of that diagonal? Square root of sum of square roots of, sorry, diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. What is this length? 2 to 5. This distance is 3 units. Next, this is y is equal to 8. This is y is equal to 1. So this distance is, I draw here. This is the thing we got. This is 2 less than or equal to 5, x less than or equal to 5. This, and this is y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to 8. Distance between these two is 7 parts. So this diagonal is having a length of root over 7 square 49 plus 3 square 9. So this is equal to root 58. Root 58 is the maximum possible distance between the 2 points. Each point satisfies the particular conditions. First point should satisfy 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, y greater than or equal to 1, 5x plus 8y less than or equal to 40. So every point in this region satisfies, in this A region satisfies the conditions. Next, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, y less than or equal to 8, and 5x plus 8y greater than or equal to 40. All these three things are satisfied in the region B. And one point in A, this diagonally opposite point and diagonally opposite point in B, both, if you mark, the diagonal represents the maximum possible distance between any 2 points in the 2 regions satisfied. Or else we can take this diagonal also, no problem. Any diagonal, but not length or breadth. Length or breadth are less than root 58. So answer to this question is root 58, option A. I hope this cleared your doubt. Thank you. If you liked my video, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.